Dear friends, today we will show you electrolysis of water. For that we have taken a glass of water. These two cells, and they are connected in series, that is 1.5 volt and 1.5 volt, that is 3 volt connecting wires, and we have taken two pencil, that means two graphite electrode, right? For that, first of all, we will take the salt. Here you see, this is our salt, and we want to mix it with water. We mix the salt with water and making a solution of salt solution. We make it a salt solution such that current flows from in the liquid, right? This is the salt solution. Now we'll see what happens when we dip the two electrodes in this water. We are making electrolysis of water, right? There you see, we have taken two electrodes. Now we see, this is the positive terminal, that is anode. We are taking this anode and connect this with one pencil, making it anode. This is our anode. We are connecting this pencil with this anode, right? We are taking another pencil and we are making this as cathode. You see, this is cathode, right? And if we put both the anode and the cathode in the water, let's see what happens. This is anode and this is our cathode. Let's see what happens if we put anode and cathode both in the water. You can see here that in cathode, lot of bubbles is rising up. That means in cathode, hydrogen is evolving, and at anode, oxygen is evolving. In electrolysis, what you see here, lot of hydrogen. Let us see it clearly.